How to save WhatsApp voice messages on iPhone. Here's the easiest way to download and keep it for later. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and go to the chat that contains the voice message you want to save, or send voice message by tapping on microphone icon, then send it. Next, press and hold the voice message until the menu appears, then tap forward. Now, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. From the share sheet, select Save to Files. Choose the folder where you want to save the audio file, such as on my iPhone or iCloud Drive, then tap Save. To access the file later, open the Files app on your iPhone and navigate to the folder where you saved it. You can play, rename, move, or share the audio anytime without opening WhatsApp. That's it. Your WhatsApp voice message is now safely saved on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, iPhone tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.